So how your house we going to?
It's a federal fence, yeah, that's good. I won't do that.
Oh, no.
Are you good here? What? Man, this lighthouse, you can't even go to the top. But Filipino based food, garlic fried right here. Long ways away. We got this kid. Oh, not all of them look the trucks. The Honda ain't rocking. Your car ain't rocking, but this truck is rocking.
You know what though? I put my brake on.
But it's still picking up a side-to-side motion. Where's she at? Can't even see it. Miss them. That's that might be the white ones might be shallow. The shallow water. Are they? Probably so. Yeah, we going over that way. See the bird?
Ain't no McDonald's up here?
See the bird? The bird floating in the water? See them right there? Some pelicans. Pelican Bay. They moving. How long they say it's out here? Boy, it's a nice little view. Nice and warm. We got our flying friends behind us. I'll try to get one to come down and look.
You can take it back.
Nice and windy out here. Nice and windy. It's cool though. We got the cars down there. See them boats way out there. See his tag say OBX, yeah, and they're chalking for all of them, so they won't drive off. On the North Carolina ferry system. Now they're starting to turn. What are you doing? You done got you another peach? Oh. Huh? it's a nice breeze out here, but boy, that sun is hot. And look at the weights. Look at the weights. Hey, you can surf that. You said them dudes be behind them boats surfing the weight. Yeah, you can surf that right there. You can definitely surf that. So you just turn, you see. Came through there. So we started all the way over there in that little corner over there. We came out, made a left turn, came all the way out here. Then we came out, made a right turn, came down here, made a left. Now we turning right now. You can see the front of the boat turning. That's another ferry right there. So, I guess we're going to that island over there. That's where that one looks like it's coming from. That's where that one looks like it's coming from. They loaded down. They're just like the one we on. Yeah, they loaded. They got both sides loaded over there. Yeah, they loaded down. They loaded down. Woo-hoo. Coke. This is called a Hattiesburg. Guess we might be riding one of them on the way back. Rocking and rolling now, we catching their weight. That's what it is, we hitting their weight. They probably gonna catch our weight back there. It's splashing up. You see it up there? Hey, Muscat for. So we left one at the dock, we just passed one. We on one, and this is another one. So it's the fourth ferry. This one, that one a little bigger. Well, it look a little bigger, it might be the same. That's the Floyd J. Lumpton. They waving at us. We about to catch their weights. We about to catch their weights. We don't wait coming this way. We're gonna start splashing up there in a minute. Yeah. Start splashing up there in a minute. They headed back. You can't even. The craziest thing is, I don't know if because how deep the water is. That's where we came from, right over there, that corner. As you can see, he getting in the same channel we kind of was in. Now he's starting to turn to the left. Start to turn to the left. I guess we're going to this island out here. on, Zeke. Come on. Come on. Go. But ain't wasting your time getting off.
So let's say that the next one comes back and it's the next one.
Headed on now. Last one supposed to blow the horn. So it said beep beep.
Nobody's waiting. She asked them how long is it waiting.
It's around the corner. Bigger bikes. That's good. See, boy, they got their bikes. Boy, I love to do that.
I don't care.
Ain't no wrong way. We got 3 cars, 4, 5 cars, 6. Oh, that was a nice little ferry ride. Nice little ferry ride. All for the day. Let's go wrap the vlog for the day. We're gonna see what happens on the island. Tune in to the next vlog. Till then, we out.